Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson where we are going to quickly look at volume. So if you need to put the volume indicator, you can go to indicators, then you can search for volume, then it comes up right there at the top. So when you put volume, it's going to show these green and red bars. These are the volume bars. I'm just going to take the extra one. So each time you move your mouse over a bar, it would show you the volume. Red, it means that the price went down. Green, it means the price went up. So what you need to see is more or larger volume bars for green if you are long in a position. It shows you that there are more buyers coming in than there are sellers. Or you can have more green bars for volume and less red bars for volume, indicating that price is moving nicely upwards. One thing that you need to be on the guard for is the volume during the opening of the session. So I'm going to change this chart to 1 hour chart. So I'm going to look at 9 a.m. for given days. Usually the 9 a.m. time is where you get all sorts of funny things happening in trading. Usually the price is being pulled down to lure those people who are not strong in a position. In other words, you are holding a share, but you are sitting and thinking price could probably go downwards. So you want to quickly jump out as soon as you see price going down. So you can be lured by low volume and high volatility price action. What does it mean? Let's look at this for an example. You see, this is a candle from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. The opening price was 110 Rand, and it quickly went down as low as it went down to 100 Rand. So that's a opening of 110, went high to 112, then came down to 100. So this is more like the share price moved by more than 10% downwards in that opening time of the day. Then the next hour price started moving upwards. And by end of the day at 5, the closing price was 113 Rand 25. So you can imagine if you are someone maybe who had bought on this day, then you maybe set a stop loss at maybe 10% down. Then price opened, came all the way down, then it hit your stop loss and you say, this is not working out, I'm moving out of this market at a loss. You have lost 10% of what you had in that position. Then price started going back up without you, and it closed above your buying price. So you took a loss that you could not have taken if you were managing your trades very well. So this is what you need to look for. We usually call these shakeout candles. They are looking to shake out people who are not strong in a position. So sometimes that's why you need to have a stop loss that you monitor, or one that you are sure of what things are happening. Wild price swings on low volume are usually an indication that this price movement is probably maybe market makers or dealers who are trying to lure in people to sell their shares cheaply. Then they come and buy all those shares so that they can capture the gain in price. As you can see, this price moved in the next few days all the way up to 128 Rand. So if you're in at 110, you have made more than maybe close to 15% price movement. So 9 a.m. is the time to be alert. Usually I like to look at market openings for opportunity. Any price that swings down by a huge percentage with no adverse news or any disturbance, I'm quickly jumping in and buying a bit of those shares, because I know if I want to make a quick buck, by end of the day, If you bought at 100, by end of the day, you have made 10%. If you had put maybe 50K, you have made 5,000 Rand. Not bad. That's enough money maybe you can use to pay your rent for the month. How good does it feel? You have made it within maybe the 8 hours of the day. So you want to look for those opportunities, especially if you are trying to grow your capital base. So 9 a.m. is the time to always be watching and hunting like an eagle for those opportunities that you quickly snatch and then watch it move into profit during the day. Don't be the one to be shaken out of your position, only to be left now wondering that, oh, I have missed out on a good move. It happened to me once. I saw Mondi crash suddenly to 278 Rand. Then I thought things are getting bad, jumped out quickly. Then the price moved back to 295 Rand without me. I really felt bad. Then I moved and said, let me see how I can revise this and be able to make it work better next time. So that is all for now. Thank you.